What's good, everyone? Today I have with me from Skyviews Entertainment an artist and the producer of True Story Rhythm, Tatic. So what's going on?
I'm here, blessings.
Great.
Yeah, man.
All right, Tatic, so for those who may not know, tell us a little bit about yourself.
All right, Tatic is a humble youth, hardworking, gifted with talents. Yeah, basically, yeah.
All right, so I understand that you're basically the face of Skyviews Entertainment, and they recently went through a rebranding. So tell me a little bit about that.
All right, Skyviews is basically doing music productions, talent management, and we do video rental company.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So you are one of the multi-talented people over here at Skyviews, right?
Yeah, man. We basically do everything around here.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your role as a producer.
Well, just building beats, getting the right beat for a specific artist. I guide them in different ways, you know, basically.
Okay, so what's the most intense thing about producing for you?
Most intense thing?
Yes.
Is doing everything, basically.
So you did a collaboration with my girl, Vanessa Bling,
yeah.
Right? Tell me a little bit about how it was working with her.
It was a great experience, you know. It was the whole vibes in the studio. It was fun.
I heard a piece of it earlier, and
Okay.
trust me, it's banging.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. It's a good look.
Okay, so what was your inspiration behind the True Story Rhythm?
All right. It's just the whole name behind it and the whole feeling to it is just talking about life. Some truthful stuff, basically, what we have got through, you know. Yeah.
You also have a song on the True Story Rhythm called Winner.
Winner.
Right? Tell me a little bit about that as well.
All right, Winner is an upliftment song, and it's just telling everybody that they're a winner. Like whatever you do it great, and you're basically a winner. You have to think positive about it.
How do you stay relevant during a time like this?
Well, we have the internet same way. We promote our stuff on the internet, radio-wise same way. You know, we get our songs like on mix CDs, and you know, we play like in bus.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. So it's still be on the street. People still hearing it in the coasters and so forth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is next for Tatic?
Just more productions. We have some stuff lined up. Shortly we should be releasing some stuff. We have a project with Jamie Robert. We're doing a co-production with him, and we have some singles with some other artists as well, established artists.
If you could choose to produce for any artist in the world, who would it be and why?
Vibes Cartel.
I don't know why I figured you were going to say that.
Artist, basically.
It's your artist, okay. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, and as an upcoming artist, or a newer artist would be like Dexter Laps.
Dexter Laps, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Tell yourself now, miss again when I get the kick again. This time you want make it score. You know.
So what is the most intense thing about Tatic?
Most intense, most talented.